Hi, welcome back. In this lecture series, we are going to see about the electrical machines and drives. So, in electrical machines and drives, we are going to look at the speed control techniques. Under the unit of speed control technique, we are going to see about the introduction to electrical braking. So, may I know what is electric braking? If the load is removed from an electric motor and supply is to be discontinued, then the motor will rotate for due to some inertia. Now you can imagine uh, when we are switch on, the fan is rotating and it gives the air to us. Once the power supply is discontinued, when the power supply is interrupted, or when we are switch off the fan immediately, it is not immediately come to its rest position. It takes some time to reach its equilibrium, rest position. So it's because of the moment of inertia. If you go for any kind of vehicle, now suppose I'm driving a two-wheeler, so without applying the braking, just switch off, just switch off the vehicle. The motor, the vehicle will not stop there itself. It goes some distance, like it may be 50 meter or 100 meter or it may be 20 meter. It is based on the velocity. It is based on the speed which we are traveling, like how much speed, that is kilometer per hour, we are traveling. So based on that, it goes some distance and then only the speed gets dropped slowly. Then it goes to the rest position, that is zero. So it's all because of the moment of inertia. Okay. In fact, now I'm driving the vehicle, driving the two-wheeler. So suddenly a child or some other old person or anything, it comes in front of us. Just switch off the vehicle and the speed is slowly reduced and it goes to the rest position. Shall we accept these cases? Definitely no, because suddenly if I switch on, so if I switch off the vehicle, again the same speed, the vehicle gets traveling. So we will meet accident with the opposite person. So in fact, the quick stopping of the motor is more essential well compared to the starting. The starting, it may be little bit low, like it make for in order to pick up the vehicle. Sometimes it may take 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 40, even it may be 1 minute. That's not an issue. But while compared to the while compared to the stopping is much more important. The stopping is much more important. Now you can imagine another one example. In an industry, one person is working with a machine. Suddenly his hand is fell down in the machine. Then the hand will be locked inside the machine. If you switch off the machine, again the machine gets another some revolution, so that his hand is fully damaged, unable to take his land. Everything is destroyed. So in that particular case, if this kind of fault or this kind of incident or this kind of accident is occurred in any kind of industry, immediately if you are applying the electrical braking, at that time the electric machine will stop there itself, so that we can protect the human being life. So that's why the starting is more important. The stopping is more important than starting. Okay. Yeah, delay in stopping of the motor may result in any damage to the equipment and even the loss of human life, already we said. And the braking system should be reliable and quick in action. The braking is very reliable and it should be very fast to operate. Okay. And normally there are two types of braking are there. One is mechanical braking and another one is electrical braking. Mechanical braking. So here just you can consider an fan, or it may be an or it may be an some motive or some kind of automotive vehicle. If you are applying the braking, the amount of energy which is stored in a brake drum, the amount of energy which is stored in a brake drum, that will be converted into heat. That will be converted into heat energy. So all the kinetic energy is waste. So this mechanical braking can be obtained by using brake shoe. And this is the assessment. Now you know which of the following is the best braking method: friction, electromechanical action, eddy current, and electric braking. Just you can think with respect to the previous and next slide. Okay. And next, electrical braking. So in mechanical braking, the amount of energy which is stored in a drum, that can be converted into heat energy or thermal energy with respect to brake shoe. But in electrical braking, the amount of energy which is stored in a brake drum, that can be converted into electrical energy. If you need the electrical energy, you may use it. Otherwise, with the help of an rheostat, that may be converted into electrical energy. That may be converted into thermal or heat energy. So, in mechanical braking, the complete energy is converted into heat, waste one. And in electrical braking, all the energy is converted into electrical energy. If you want to use the electrical energy, you can use it. Otherwise, with the help of rheostat, that electrical energy can be converted into heat energy. Okay. Then what is the difference between these two? That is the mechanical and electrical braking. Just you can compare the electrical and mechanical braking. So, in a electrical braking system, okay, now we can able to control the speed and bringing the load to the initial position. But in mechanical braking, it is used only for emergency stopping. With the help of applying the braking, we can go for the emergency braking or some parking system. And the electrical braking is very smooth and comfortable one. But mechanical braking, it is usually very rough, and it is not comfortable. And in electrical braking, no wear result from electrical braking, but in mechanical, it is present. And so, in electrical braking system, cannot be used as a safety device. Electrical braking system cannot be used as a safety device, but most system will require a mechanical braking for backup in order to safety device. Okay, so this is the electrical braking and mechanical braking, and there are several types of electrical and mechanical braking will be there. We will see one by one. And the second assessment, the DC motor is widely used in traction due to its excellent braking system. In the DC motor widely used in the traction purpose. That's because of excellent braking system. Am I right or wrong? True or false? Just you can think and comment the answer. And these are the reference paper for this introduction to electrical braking. Thank you.